Is Harsh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we will be discussing about the very important topic of JavaScript that is called map and set, which is introduced in ES6. JavaScript is also called ECMAScript. So we have mainly two latest objects gets created, map and set. So whenever you want to store the value like key and value pair, so we can use the map. And if you just want to have some unique values, if you don't want to have any duplicate values, so we can use the set as well. So we can use the plain JavaScript object and array also, but somewhere we are facing the issues it can't handle well. And in the map and set we have so many new functions is introduced which we can use and work with the JavaScript very easily. And this is added in ES6. So let's understand this clearly with the help of the example. So I'm just going in my VS Code, and inside my VS Code I will be having a day3 folder. Inside it, I'm just creating the new file. Let's say the file name is map set.js. So I'll be adding both the examples map and set into the same. So whenever we want to use the map collection in JavaScript, so we can just say, let's say I'm just creating a user roles, and where I'm just going to use the map, I'll be setting some values, and then I will get the value. I will show you the size as well. And then I just want to have the unique values, so I will be using the set for that. So I'm saying user roles, and let's say this is map, so I can just use new map. Also team, I'm using GitHub Copilot, just I want to save the time. So GitHub Copilot is the AI tool. I already have the license for it. And nowadays, the AI is very important, so we should know how to use it. So I'm using the same. So the moment I'll be typing it, you can see some suggestions will come, but I will be explaining you each and every line of code. So I'm saying user roles dot set. So let's say I just want to set the alias. Sorry, I just want to set the alias is admin. Then I just want to have one another role. So I'm saying the Bob is the editor. So we have basically the user roles map where we have Alice and Bob. So Alice is an admin and Bob is an editor. And I just want to get the value. So we can just say uh, console.log. The moment I'm doing console.log and the user roles.get alias, so we'll be getting the output is admin. Let's run this code. I'm using Node.js, so I can right click integrated terminal, and I can just say node map set.js. The moment I'm executing the same, you can see the output. The output is admin. So because we have console.log which we are using to print the result in JavaScript in the console. And then if I'm saying okay, user roles dot get Bob, I'll be getting the editor as well. So let's do the same. So I'm using console.log, and then I just want to see do we have Bob. So you know what, we have the get function just to get the value. So let's say if I'm just using the get here, I'm saying get Bob. So you see the output is editor. Now if I want to check whether we have the Bob or not, so we can say user roles has alias, or instead of that, let's say I just want to have Bob. So it is true because we have the Bob. So you can see it is returning true. So in map collection, we have the get by which we can get the value. We have has to check the value. We also have size if you want to see the size of it. We want to see the size of our roles. So we can say user roles dot size. So the moment I'll be using the size, we can see the size. The output is 2 right now. The reason is because we have only 2. And let me use the console.log as well, so you can see the result in the console. So we are getting true. Even we also have a function called delete. So if you want to delete, let's say I just want to delete something, so I can just write user roles dot delete. I just want to delete Alice, and then I just want to see the size now. So I just deleted one. So we will be having one only because we have total 2. In this total 2, I am deleting Alice, and then I am just checking the result. So we can see the size is 1 because we have deleted 1. Alright, so this is how we can use the map collection, which is a very important feature added in ES6. JavaScript is also called ECMAScript, and we can use set, has, get, delete, size. So this is how we can use the map in JavaScript. Now let's see the example of set. So what I'm going to do is I'm just creating a unique value. So unique text, let's say my variable name is unique text, and I'm using the new set. Now inside the new set, I'm just passing some values. So let's say I'm just passing, we have JavaScript, Python, JavaScript. So if you can see JavaScript, I'm passing twice. JavaScript. Python is also twice. Java, right? So we have a set where we are just passing these values. Now what I want is, I just want to get the unique values. And because we have the set which is giving us the unique values only, so let's see the same. So I'm just saying console.log, and the moment I'm using console.log unique tags and running this code, so node map set.js. So you see, right now I'm getting the error. Now what is the error? Console. See the spelling mistake. So whenever we are doing any spelling mistake, we will be getting the error. And make sure you will remember this error also, like reference error. This is not defined because it's very important from the interview perspective, because in the interview they always ask if by mistake we write some spelling mistake, what is the error. So you should be knowing each and every error in JavaScript, which is very important. And then I'm running the same. So you see I'm getting the JavaScript, Python, and Java. Now let's say I just want to get these values into the array format itself, because we are passing the array and I want to get it into the array only. So we have the ES6 spread operator. So I'm just using the arrow function, and then I can just use dot dot dot. So the moment I'm using the same, so then you see we are getting the output JavaScript, Python, and Java. So we are just getting the unique values, and I just want to see the size of it. So again, we also have the function called size. So I'm just saying console.log, and I can use unique tag, and instead of this I just want to use the size. So the moment I'm using the size, you see the output is 3. So when I'm running this code, you see the output is 3, because we have total 3 values. It is not showing like we have this much value, because set we used to get the unique values. Also team, because I'm using GitHub Copilot, you might have seen most of the time, I'm getting some additional suggestions also, like in the set, I just got one has option also. It means we can use the same. So this is a great feature of Copilot, because when I'm saying unique text, so you see I'm getting add. It means if you want to add the value, or has, if you want to check the value. So this is the advantage of using the Copilot as well. So if I just want to add, let's say C++, or if I want to delete the Python and then I want to see the same, so we can use those shortcuts, and we will get to know what are the additional properties and methods which we have inside it. Now when I'm running this code, you see this is what I'm getting. So we just added C++. So C++ is the new, we don't have the C++ earlier. But the moment I'm using delete Python, so just delete the Python if you want to delete it, and then we just want to get the unique values again. So because we deleted Python, we have only JavaScript, Java, and C++. Alright, so this is how we can use the map object, which is recently added, set, which we use to get the unique values. This I have used more than 100 times in my project, and this is the very important feature of JavaScript. So friends, hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.